Professor Plumley asked me to show you what it's like as a mechanical engineering student. And I have to admit, you spend most of your time here in this building. This is the engineering department. In this side of the engineering department, we have most of our senior projects, which we call systems here. In this room, we have our jet engine program. To your left is the aero room. I'm actually on this systems team, and in this room we build these giant airplanes that we also compete against other schools for. This is Now. He's one of our super seniors who helps us out here. This is our shop, and if you're an engineering student here, you get to learn how to use all the tools in here for your own projects. You spend a lot of time here in the engineering department, particularly in one of these two rooms. This is our wind tunnel room, and you have a lot of your core classes in here. I had my fluids class in here and my thermodynamics class, which are pretty core engineering, mechanical engineering classes. Now, we actually have a class going on right now, so you can kind of see what the dynamic looks like. But in here is where you'll have a lot of your other classes. Another one of the senior project teams that you could have the opportunity to work on is the Baja team. And we build these cars that we race on an actual track with an actual race. Every single part of the frame is welded by the students. And every single part has to be proven that it'll work with computer analysis. To your left here is the physics lab. Every engineering student has to take physics. You spend a lot of time in this room, but across the hall is one of my favorite rooms in the entire engineering department. This is the 3D printer lab, and as you see here, we have a lot of 3D printers. These are some of the best 3D printers on the market. They're called Bambu Lab X1 Carbons. This is our Bambu Lab H2D. And if you know anything about 3D printers, this one is special because it has two extruder heads. Over here, this is our carbon fiber printer, which, you guessed it, you can print carbon fiber pieces from. And then of course, you can print using resin printers. I don't really remember what the official name of that is called, but any student can come in here and use these printers. You just have to pay for the filament. Here's some of the projects that other people have used. This is a rocket that is going to work. This was printed as one piece, and you can see the printers are so good, you can print moving pieces with one print. Now, the last thing I'm going to show you guys in this video is our atrium. Over here we have a lot of study groups that show up to study before exams, and you're going to have a lot of exams as an engineering student. But it's nothing to worry because you have great professors here. Also above us is some of our best performing aircraft from the aero team. Say hi guys. Hi. Hello. Well, this is kind of what a day would look like in engineering as an engineering student because you spend so much time in this area. So, thank you for watching.